this is H&N, and we're gonna do a nature walk today, so enjoy. So down below, we have a lovely little stream. So I do have a harness on, so I'll just don't know if this is. So let's throw some twigs in there. Earlier we threw food in there for the animals so they don't starve. Let's pull this up. Could you take this? So beavers live occasionally there and there. So beavers don't live there. Okay, on to the next thing. So the stream goes from all the way up there to down here, and then it goes around, and then it goes. This goblin road thing has been on here for a long time. So we go around that way onto that little mini bridge. And so all the water would be down there going on and on. That we'll show. Right. Oh, and if you guys would notice, it's like a waterfall. All the water comes there and then under through here, and then it goes under this bridge, this old bridge, but Eagle Scout, I would punish it so people can actually walk over it. And it goes into here and we'll all the way down there. So let's take a walk down there. So guys, there's a tiny waterfall right there if you see the rocks. I'm gonna get my stick here. So I'm trying to go at it, but I don't know if I'm gonna even make it. You see where my stick landed? Just go up, up, and you'll see the rocks. Little waterfall, not that big, but it's good. So let's keep on walking. So, I saw on the way down when I was videotaping that this propane tank used for gases to put in a grill is right there. Please don't litter, because that propane tank may still be full and it can fall over and open up. So please just don't litter. It's just not healthy for the environment. Also found something else that's found something else that's a little interesting. As being a Cub Scout, I have made a little walkway here for me to walk down so it's safe. Kids, please don't try to attack home. Okay, so this is my long stick that I'll probably be holding on for the rest of the thing. As you see here, it's a black pipe. This probably was, over the years, created by falling trees. As you see, that one is kind of falling. Falling trees falling down into the earth. I'm probably wrong, but this probably was like it could have been a house going through, and they had to leave in the shit. So this black pipe, hopefully there's nothing still that could come out of there and hurt the animals. As you see, there is water bubbles in the thing, so you may not see it, but there is. So there is live. Due to some technical difficulties, we had to cut the video, but now we're back. So I'm going back down, and I got one more thing to say. Okay, so there's another pipe that's from waterfall, so there definitely was a house. It's not a little cottage. So, Dylan, could you bring this up? I just need more for if I do another stairwell. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. I put my little walkway down here, and there's berries on these trees. Just remember, never to eat berries that you do not know where they are from, because they can be poisonous. Okay, so let's go down here. As you can see, we're almost at the end of our destroying. So let me throw these back up, and we'll gather them for the next, hopefully, nature video that we shall do. If not, these will go to a loving family who needs firewood. And ooh, this is a good thing to. This is bamboo. I can't break it, and like I'm really strong. It will bend. So it's kind of like aluminum, but bendable. Oh, this will cut sweat. If bamboo gets too wet, it'll break. And it is slingy. So I'm gonna take that. This. Okay, let's head out. So now we're going to. I just put these branches. I just put them together. So. Now we're going to go walk over there, walk down. We may cross the path at some point, under the waterfall at some point. I doubt it, but come on. Whoa, so this is a good one. This is called a spider branch. These many branches gather together over years, and they look like a spider, kind of. There's more that are way similar that actually look like a spider, little and big. So, and there's a bunch of logs down there. So, okay, so let's move on. So there definitely was a house on this, more than one house on this stream, multiple houses on this stream, before it was a stream. Oh, I have a little path here. Let's see what it is. Let me just lay down this bucket. Bamboo. Okay, so where's all my bamboo? I gotta take that with me. Hey guys! We're done, so just remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys. Fitbit. Not at work. Bye.